Father Christmas only gives the bad children coal.
What?
Father Christmas always gives the bad children charcoal.
Really? Maybe it's a charcoal.
What? Okay. How?
Okay, sit. Come on, come on. Come on, stand.
Charcoal. He only gives charcoal.
Come on. The elves came here. Let me see. What does it look like?
Not the elves.
Santa.
It's weird that he just like.
There's nothing here.
There's the thing there. Ah, run.
What's that?
I don't really know.
Sorry. It looks like a biggie.
Then my other Christmas things. Cause like last year I got a mug.
Oh, that was cute mug.
Yeah, it was like a mug with a YouTube.
Nice. The elves really tied it up nicely. Hurry!
I got this.
You want me, mommy help?
Give me a knife
No.
or scissors.
No.
Why?
I'll do it. I don't know. It's just a ribbon.
I got it. Just need to follow its path. Like it's not the other. I guess this is my payment for being naughty today.
What is that?
I don't freaking know. It's like.
What?
It's a freaking bag.
Oh my god, it's a hipster bag. No more?
And a calendar. Maybe he saw me just like crossing all of those.
No. Calendars are mine. Oh, Ate gave you something. I like it. Anyway, Ate gave you something.
I like it. Anyway,
Here. And Mama too. There.
No wonder you came here.
Wow,
I'm gonna need a knife for this. Because this has no.
Oh, that is a nice one. I don't know which one is that, mine or Ate's. No, don't destroy it. We can regift it, you know, we are
Then give
recyclers.
me a knife. This is no. Gonna be hard. Okay. Unlike other children, they just.
Oh, I'll give you a knife. Where's the knife? Where is not the knife? This one.
Oh, this one you actually have to really rip it off.
No, here. Why rip it off? What is it? Okay. So just start with that one.
This is the first actual box that I actually have.
Okay.
Like every Christmas, I only have this and this.
What is that?
Boom.
Oh, that's from Mommy. It's a secret.
Proud. This one is a t-shirt.
It's a hipster t-shirt.
Stretchable. I'm gonna wear this too. if it's already clean.
Nice.
I'm gonna wear this to sleep.
See?
You know, I can't wear it anywhere because
It's thin.
it's kind of see-through.
Uh-uh.
And if I can actually see the phone. Well, now I got this one.
Okay, that's one. I think Santa's gift is very expensive.
Can I strip it off?
Maybe, yeah? Yes, yes, yes. It's a very nice black.
Matte. Something red. Like blue colored. Whatever.
What is that?
This box contains some seriously gross stuff. Open at Pearl. Yucky you. Cross gross body facts inside. Build your own 20-piece skeleton. It quizzes hundreds of facts in 2 books.
Ooh,
That's
that's very nice.
It's all about the skeleton.
Yes, it's good. It's for doctors. Future doctors. And weird people.
Gladly.
Very nice.
Oh, it's actually. I thought it was. This folder. It's a folder.
Is it?
It says this folder belongs to. Blank, blank, blank. And Bones, the main stuff. It looks like it's been here for like 100 years. This is damaged. You know what I'm thinking? I think this was Kuya Manu's. And then he just gave it to me. He recycled it.
Wow. Is it easy to make?
Let me see.
Oh!
No. This is the spine
And
and
the
ribs.
chest. Ribs. Yes.
Chest. This is the chest. This is
It's very nice.
Where's the?
Oh, that's the stand.
I think this is where the. This is the stand.
Oh,
This is where
you.
Wow. No, not this. There's also one hand here. Only one hand.
There's more one. Maybe it fell off.
No, I saw this. This was only one hand.
Here, there's another hand.
Oh, okay. So you
got
want me to
two
build this thing
hands.
up?
You got this.
Body
Skull.
challenge.
Where's the feet? Okay.
I think this is the feet and these
The
are the
foot.
hands.
The hands.
These are the body challenge.
Like the arm.
It's about the bones.
And the.
I'm so lucky in grade 6 I actually studied this.
Okay. How do you like your
Christmas presents.
Christmas presents this year? Look at the camera. How do you like it this year?
Guys, black is not the only color. Black isn't the only color. There's many colors there. There's a rainbow. There's gray, green, red.
And what?
What's this?
It's you make it stand up, the whole skeleton.
This.
It's a skeleton stand. Did you like what Santa gave you? Look at me.
Hmm?
Did you like what Santa gave you?
It's a bag.
Do you like
but I
it?
don't know how to close the bag. I think this is how you close the bag.
Yeah, it's a hipster bag.
Sadly, you know some people. Yeah.
Yeah, there's thieves. You just don't bring anything very, very expensive.
Isn't this the pelvis?
Yes.
Yes,
You know a lot of things already.
Because I went to school, my teachers gave me lessons about skeletons.
Mhm. You should
This
keep.
from my mouth.
I think.
These are the arm. No, not the arms. Not the arms.
No, these are the arms. There are two.
These are the arms. It already has the thing on it. These are the feet. The firm.
Mm-mm.
Femur.
Femur.
Femur bone. This is the chest. Boom. We're already. I think this is like the first step to becoming a doctor.
Yes.
Oh no, this is the pelvis.
It's a complete set. Oops. What is this? The book. Okay.
Oh, it already is.
Strange but true facts. Okay. It's a very nice Christmas gift.
Oh.
Okay. She's gonna do this now. Okay, bye bye. Say Merry Christmas to the camera.
Merry Christmas. I dropped the piece.
You're loving it. Okay.
No, I actually want to build this.
Okay, you're gonna build it now. Okay. Merry Christmas. Say bye bye.
Merry Christmas to all
Bye bye.
the bad people there.
you
I hope all of you didn't get charcoal.
have this Peace in the Streets thing.
Peace in the streets, son.